Hello everyone, Gemini 3 has been released and now you can also use this for free in your Android device, on your PC, and let me show you how to enable it and use it. So if you go to your Gemini account in your PC, you can see there's an option of thinking, and now just click it. Here you can see thinking with 3 Pro. Now if you have first option, you can select to thinking with Pro, and this will use the Gemini 3 Pro version. And also you can use the Gemini 3 Pro version in Google AI Studio. So if you go to the Google AI Studio, you can see Gemini 3 Pro preview, and you have to select that, and now you can use the Gemini 3 Pro. But if you use in Gemini application, you will see more option here like create image, canvas, guided learning, and there's a new feature which is visual layout. Now if you choose visual layout and give it a prompt, I'll show you some example here. So I've chosen the visual layout option here and given a prompt here. I want to learn about how game theory works in a fun way with real life examples. So this now give me an example of game theory, the science of strategy, the definition of game theory, and now this gives me 4 essential blocks of game theory. Like if I click on this will show more option, I guess. And if I go down, as you can see, this gave me application in the real world, and if I just click it, it will also give me the example with the real world of how game theory works. If you just select any of the option here, for example, I select the price for dilemma, and this gave me this, as you can see, with the visual effect and all other things that I want to know. So this is the visual layout. If you want to know anything, you can use it for daily life, and this will give you more option, and this is also a fun way to learn. And if you want to use this for daily life, like here's another example: plan a 3-day trip to Tokyo for a foodie. Give me a visual with interactive options. And if I go down, it's also show me the places and also what kind of food that I can get there with the visual effect. And as you can see, and here you can also see there's an option of to choose your budget, what type of food or which is your budget, and what type of food that you can get with this budget. And also I just tried a method here, 20 to 125 dinar, and what can I get with it, all the instruction with visual layout. So this is the visual layout of the Gemini 3 new feature, which is very useful in your daily life if you know how to use it. I'm just showing you a couple of examples here. And there's another thing they upgraded, and there's another example is we already know the canvas in Gemini 3 canvas, and this is also upgraded. Visual is not good in Canva, but right now you can see this is the atom, hydrogen, and if I hide UI, I can also zoom it to see and zoom out. And again, if I show UI, and you can see all the element or all the atoms that I want to learn about, you can get a visual interaction here. So if I go to hide UI and I can zoom out and I can move it, I can see it, which is pretty cool. Like you can create any type of application or visual things with canvas to really learn any type of thing or build many type of thing. It gave me a really cool application to learn about atoms, and also I can explain this element, fun fact. Also if I click this will also show me some fun fact about, and here is all the element or the atoms that I want to learn about. And also you can create cool landing page with website. Just for example, I'm showing you, I just give you a simple prompt here: build a high converting aesthetic landing page for a gadget shop, and which is name is Neon Tech, and this is the gadget shop that I get, and which is pretty good. And this is how you can use the Gemini 3, and you can also do with the Gemini 2.5 older version, but right now the Gemini 3 is better, as you can see. Now to build something, you can also build with Gemini 3 in Google AI Studio. If you go to the build option, you can see build right as a Gemini, and Gemini 3 Pro preview has been working, and you can also use this for free. And if I go down and click on this gallery option, you can see people are creating lots of fun things here, like beautiful landing pages. You can see these are the created by Gemini 3 Pro, and people are creating games with it. And also you can see fun application like voxel art creator, as you can see. So that's it guys, this is the thing that I want to show you. Right now you can use it for free in Google AI Studio. Also you can use this for free in Gemini 3 application. Also you can use this for free in your mobile application, but in application you will have some limitation, but you can use it for free in Google AI Studio. I don't know if there is any limitation or not. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.